Antenna commissioning. Commissioning 0.3 meter and 0.6 meter antennas. The following uses the 1+0 microwave link as an example to describe how to adjust antennas. The strengths of electromagnetic waves transmitted by an antenna are different in different directions. Adjusting antennas is to align the major lobes of two antennas with each other. Commission the antenna on one side only during antenna commissioning. Power on the IDUs. Power on the ODUs. Note: make sure that the ATPC functions are disabled when adjusting the antennas. Properly set the working frequency and transmit frequency of the ODUs on the web LCT and keep the transmit status of the ODUs on mute. Make a multimeter test cable whose one end is a BNC connector. Connect the BNC connector to the RSSI port of the local ODU and use the multimeter to measure the voltage of the port. Adjust the azimuth of the local antenna. Check whether the brackets of the antennas are installed reliably. Slowly rotate the antenna around the pole in a large range in the horizontal direction until a small voltage value is displayed on the multimeter. Loosen the bolt and nut on the fine adjusting bolt of the local antenna in the horizontal direction. Rotate the antenna in the horizontal direction. Fasten the nuts on the fine adjusting bolt when the value displayed on the multimeter reaches the maximum. Alternately fasten the two nuts on the fine adjusting bolt until the nuts are fastened. Do not fasten one nut and then fasten the other nut to avoid knocking the antenna in the horizontal direction. Adjust the elevation angle of the antenna. Fasten the local antenna when the receive level is the maximum within the scan range. Follow the preceding method to adjust the remote antenna. Fasten the remote antenna when the receive level of the remote antenna is the maximum. Fasten the ground cables of the ODUs on both sides to the steel tower after antenna adjustment.